Hello everyone and welcome to this video on facilitating workplace learning. Today we will explore the importance of workplace learning, the benefits it brings to both employees and organizations, and some effective strategies to facilitate learning in the workplace. Let's begin by understanding why workplace learning is crucial. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, organizations need to adapt quickly to stay ahead. Workplace learning helps employees acquire new skills and knowledge, allowing them to keep up with the latest advancements and remain competitive in their fields. Moreover, it promotes a culture of continuous improvement and innovation within an organization. Now let's delve into the benefits of workplace learning. For employees, it provides an opportunity for personal and professional growth. They can develop new skills, enhance their existing ones, and expand their horizons. This not only boosts their confidence but also increases their job satisfaction and motivation. On the other hand, organizations benefit from a skilled and knowledgeable workforce, capable of tackling challenges and driving success. Additionally, investing in employee development enhances employee retention, attracting top talent and reducing recruitment costs. So, how can we effectively facilitate workplace learning? First and foremost, it is crucial to create a supportive learning environment. This includes fostering a culture of open communication, where employees feel safe to ask questions, share ideas, and seek feedback. Providing access to relevant learning resources, such as online courses, workshops, and training programs, is also essential. Additionally, offering mentoring and coaching opportunities allows employees to learn from experienced professionals and receive personalized guidance. Another effective strategy is creating opportunities for hands-on learning. Encouraging employees to work on challenging projects, participate in cross-functional teams, or take on stretch assignments promotes experiential learning. This allows employees to gain practical skills, test their knowledge, and learn from real-life situations. Additionally, incorporating gamification elements, such as quizzes or competitions, can make the learning experience more engaging and enjoyable. In conclusion, workplace learning plays a vital role in today's dynamic business landscape. It empowers employees to continually develop their skills, drives organizational success, and fosters a culture of innovation. By creating a supportive learning environment and providing hands-on learning opportunities, organizations can effectively facilitate workplace learning and reap its numerous benefits. So, let's embrace workplace learning for a brighter future. Thank you for watching.